Good afternoon, Tom with Liftboss JCB here today. I'm hoping everybody's staying safe with this corona situation. Want to introduce you to JCB's exclusive Teleskid. Now, this is the one and only on the market. Nobody else has a unit like this. This is a Teleskid with a 4-foot boom out the front of a skid steer, giving you 11 feet of dump into your dump truck. So now you don't need to build berms. You don't need to do anything to load your trucks. Some of the coolest features with this skid steer, of course, is the telescopic boom, where we have full flow hydraulics to the end of it for you to put your grapples on, to put whatever you want. We also have the hydraulic quick attach for you. So this will fit any skid steer attachment on the market. As we come down the boom, this is JCB's exclusive boom. There's more steel in this single arm design boom than any 2-arm skid steer on the market, meaning we have a lifetime warranty. We're not concerned about any issues with this boom. Giving it an 11'2" dump height, this machine can do jobs of 2 and 3 other machines. As we slide back down the boom, again, JCB has been developing this for over 50 years with telehandlers. We have made the Teleskid, a single arm design allowing you to have a single entry into the unit. Next, I'm going to introduce you to the back of the JCB. Now, with JCB solid steel design, this is all solid. You're not worrying about damaging anything. Now, at the back of the unit, you'll notice large window when you're sitting in the seat. You can see your visibility is fantastic. High mount AC, keeping your air conditioning away from the heat of the engine. Let's move you into the JCB exclusive engine compartment. With this, 74 horsepower, JCB Diesel Tier 4 final. No after treatment required. This unit will give you 74 horse. Don't worry about anything else. Just get the diesel and go to work. Daily checks, everything's easy for you. Air filter, battery disconnect, engine oil, and your filters. Everything's accessible to make sure that you have years and years of operation and less frustration. Next, I'm going to discuss why JCB is the safest skid steer on the market. For a few aspects that the JCB has that nobody else offers. First off, of course, our side entry. Second off is our full visibility with 270 degrees of visibility around your machine. Third one, getting in and out of the machine. Worst thing that operators ever tell me when they're dealing with a skid steer is having skin shims crawling through a bucket. Let's crawl through the side door, show you how easy it is to get in and out of the JCB. Belly bar down. Now I'm in the safest skid steer in the world. I'm going to walk you through the cab of the brand new Teleskid from JCB. This is a 2020 model. You'll notice everything is right in front of you where you need to see it. You're not going to be reaching for controls. You're going to have everything where you need it. Start with your AC and your heater controls. Move around here. We get into Exhilarate Controls. Radio's right where you can see it. Slide you around. You'll notice the visibility as we go around the cab of this unit. Next, we're going to get into your gauges, your throttle, your key switch. Everything's where you need it to be so that you can have your most efficient day. Foot throttle's included with the Teleskid, heated seats included. These units come one way, fully loaded. So let's get them to work for you. Here's your bird's eye view. You'll notice that you have your 270 degrees of visibility, and the machine works for you. You don't work for the machine. Equipped with full 7-way joysticks, high flow, low flow, JCB's Teleskid is ready to do any project you have. So be sure to get down here. I'm going to give you one last demonstration on the JCB Teleskid. I'm going to show you how the height of this machine can improve your work site. Getting that 11'2" dump in the air. This machine can replace so many machines and make it efficient, easy for you. Hurry, get down here because we can't keep them in stock. The JCB Teleskid, industry exclusive. Only question I have is, how many do you need? Thanks for listening and have a great day.